Hallo, guten Tag. Mein Name ist Isa Felipe. Ich arbeite derzeit als Pflegeassistentin für 6 Monate in Berchtesgaden und Pflegeheim Hartkirchen. Bevor ich hierher nach Oberösterreich kam, habe ich 6 Monate lang online Deutsch gelernt. During the 6 months period of learning Deutsch online, we have experienced a lot of difficulties and challenges. So I have come to realize that I need to do a self-study wherein I have to review the topics that were discussed to us by our leaderin during our online class. And self-study has given me a lot of benefits. First is that I was able to focus on more important things and topics in the German language subject, and I was able to scrutinize everything that I was not able to understand during our online class. I have collections of my ebooks, my German language ebooks, and I do compare what my teacher in the class is saying to what I was reading in the ebooks that I have. And during my self-study time, I was able to memorize without distractions. What I mean is that if you do self-study, there's no one around you, and you will not be so conscious that someone is going to ask questions that is not related to what you are studying. So I was able to focus, and it's really important that when you are learning a language, you have to speak it up, and you have to meditate and memorize on it. And while doing the self-study, you will be able to hear yourself without any distraction, and you will be able to absorb the words, the sentences that you are studying. And after even we pass our B1 German language exam, I also need to do a self-study. And it helps me a lot because I was able to remember the topics, the words that I learned from the class. So if you will not do a self-study, there's a tendency for you to forget the words, the sentence structures of the German language. There was a time when I was not able to do a self-study for 2 to 3 weeks while I was working here in Austria. And I was not able to communicate well with my colleagues and my patients. Though here in Austria, in the Bundeslande, they do speak Mundart and dialect. However, they do still understand Hochdeutsch. So, that time that I was not able to study or do a self-study, I have forgotten some words that is necessary for our job. Just like one time when a patient approached me and I asked regarding the patient's condition after she was sent to the hospital, and she told me the word gestorben. So I was shocked because the word gestorben means the patient is already dead. And it was my fault that I did not study or I did not recall the other words that is necessary for our job. So I thought the patient was already dead. Then after a few weeks, the patient was sent back to the Pflegeheim. And I was shocked. I thought to myself, I thought the patient was already dead. So that time, I assisted the patient and everything went well. And then later on, I have observed that the patient was already dying. And the German word for dying is estorben. And it is related to the word gestorben. So it was my fault that I did not study or do a self-study. So I have come to realize that I have to stay focused on studying the German language. And I have to do a self-study so that I will be able to communicate well. I will be able to understand my colleagues and the patients that I am working with. So that's all, and thank you.